Hey, that's my money. Every time I get paid, this is exactly what happens. It runs. Let me introduce myself. I'm Oddlyy. Yeah, Oddlyy. Two Ys, because money problems never come alone. Right now, 0 subscribers, no fame, no flexing. But if you've ever opened your bank app, panicked, and closed it like nothing happened, congratulations, you're in the right place. On this channel, I make simple money videos. Saving, spending smarter, avoiding dumb money mistakes. Just real money talk for real people. I'm learning, you're learning, and together we keep more money. So hit subscribe, because money is already stressful.